Installing PVC conduit can seem daunting if you're unfamiliar with the process. But don't worry, this video will answer some frequently asked questions and help you ensure your project is safe and efficient. Question 1. Do I need to use primer when joining PVC conduits? Primer cleans and softens the surface of conduits to create a more secure bond. While plumbing PVC pipes always require primer for high-quality watertight seal, opinions differ when it comes to electrical conduits. Most people suggest that primer is not necessary when gluing PVC conduit and fittings, just the PVC cement. But using primer is recommended for underground installations. Question 2. How do I determine the correct size of PVC conduit for my project? The size of PVC conduit you need depends on the number and type of wires being installed. The National Electrical Code (NEC) provides specific guidance on the conduit fill capacity to prevent overheating from overloading wires. For example, a 1-inch Schedule 40 PVC conduit can handle 25 12-gauge THWN wires. But remember the maximum fill percentages for all conductor type. 1 conductor is 53%, 2 conductors is 31%, over 2 conductors is 40%. Question 3. Is PVC conduit suitable for outdoor installations? PVC conduit is normally weather and sunlight resistant, making it an excellent choice for outdoor use. However, prolonged exposure to UV rays can degrade the plastic over time. Make sure you purchase the UV-resistant rated PVC conduits. Question 4. Are there temperature limitations for PVC conduit installations? For PVC conduit installation, the recommended ambient temperature range is between -20 degrees Celsius and 50 degrees Celsius. If the conduit is used above this grade, it must pass related tests, and usually install expansion couplings at recommended intervals to account for thermal expansion. This prevents the conduit from warping or cracking due to temperature changes. Any other questions, leave us comments or email us.